In every walk with nature, one receives far more than he seeks. The clearest way into the universe is through a forest wilderness. Nature always wears the colors of the spirit. The mountains are calling, and I must go. Adopt the pace of nature, her secret is patience. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Nature is not a place to visit. It is home. One touch of nature makes the whole world kin. Nature is pleased with simplicity.